Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Skytech Gaming Viper Desktop PC. I've looked through the internet, checked specs, real-world configurations, and how this CPU and GPU combo performs in modern gaming setups. And based on all of that, I'm going to give you a clear and honest opinion on whether this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. So the first thing that really stands out here is the CPU. You're getting the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, which is widely considered one of the best gaming CPUs available right now thanks to its 3D V-Cache technology. In real-world use, this means better frame rates, smoother gameplay, and stronger performance in CPU-heavy games like competitive shooters and simulation titles. Now pair that with the RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7, and you've got a seriously powerful GPU. This setup is built for 1440p Ultra and 4K gaming, with ray tracing, DLSS, and AI-based rendering all working together to push high frame rates while maintaining visual quality. Then you've got 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB NVMe SSD, which is honestly overkill for pure gaming, but in a good way. In real-world use, this means you can stream, edit videos, run heavy apps, and multitask without ever hitting limits. Load times are basically instant, and switching between tasks feels seamless. Cooling is another big highlight. This system includes a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, which is exactly what you want with a high-performance CPU like this. In practice, that means stable performance during long gaming sessions and less thermal throttling. Power delivery is handled by an 850W 80+ Gold PSU, which is solid and efficient for this level of hardware. And you also get Wi-Fi, modern connectivity, and a clean pre-built setup ready to go out of the box. Now, from a real-world perspective, systems like this are designed for enthusiast gamers and content creators. This isn't just about playing games. It's about playing everything at high settings, streaming at the same time, and still having performance headroom. But let's keep it real because this matters. This is a very expensive system, usually sitting around the high-end price range for gaming PCs. And while the performance is excellent, some people might argue that 64GB RAM is more than most gamers actually need, and you could save money with 32GB without noticing much difference in gaming. Also, like most pre-builts, you're paying for convenience. You could potentially build a similar system yourself for less, depending on market prices. From community discussions around similar builds, this is 3K tops. You could get a 5090 with this price. And that's the key point. Value depends heavily on pricing and deals. So here's my honest conclusion after going through everything. The Skytech Gaming Viper is a high-end gaming desktop that delivers excellent performance with one of the best gaming CPUs and a powerful next-gen GPU, making it ideal for 1440p and 4K gaming, streaming, and heavy multitasking. So would I recommend it? Yes, if you want to plug-and-play high-end gaming PC with top-tier performance and zero hassle. This is a fantastic option. But if you're focused on maximum value or future-proofing at the same price, you should compare it with other builds, especially ones that might offer a higher-tier GPU or similar performance for less money. That's my full take on the Skytech Gaming Viper Desktop PC. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.